Welcome to the video lecture series of digital image processing. Today's topic is Introduction to Degradation. To understand the concept of image segmentation, you have to start from this topic. You must understand what is degradation, how many types of degradation exist in the case of image. Let us begin. First, you need to remember or recall a term, degradation. What is degradation? Degrading the quality. So in case of the image processing, degradation related to the quality of image which is not that much good. What happens actually? None of the image is perfect. So sometimes what happens, if you click a photograph, then you may observe that the quality of image is not good as the object appears in natural condition. There may be a certain information loss, some degradation in the colors, some intensity variations. So this is all the things you can observe visually very well. And these are actually the degradations in the quality of image, means image quality is being reduced. The quality of image is not that good as much required. So image gets corrupted by different types of degradation, and these degradations are actually noise, blur or distortion. Distortion is also known as artifacts. So actually what happened, what is the characteristic of noise? Noise is a kind of disturbance, and in case of image processing, noise causes fluctuations in pixel values. Similarly, if you capture any image with the help of like camera, and if it is not capturing a point as a point, object as a object, it means it results in degradation. Sometimes you may see the extreme intensity variations or color imperfections. That also makes the images meaningful. So these are all the problems which you must have visualized in the case of the image. Now, image degradation may occur at various stages. What are those stages? Image acquisition means during capturing the image. If you are clicking a photograph, this is the first and foremost requirement. You must have an image, then only it will be processed. So during capturing, during image acquisition, image may be degraded. During image processing, if you are processing it, image quality may get degraded. Image storage means sometimes you need to store the image, and after certain time you may require it, then you can access the image from that particular storage and you can use for your own purpose. And sometimes during this whole process there is a requirement to compress the image. So in between the whole process there is a possibility that image quality may get degraded. Similarly, during the transmission as well, image quality may get degraded. So these are the certain stages upon which image quality may depend. Now, what is the purpose? How to restore the original image? See, once you have taken the image as an input, and if there is any like degradation in the image quality, then your objective must be what? Your objective must be to recover the original image. Recover the original image means almost in the same manner in the like it was available in the input. So the purpose of image restoration is actually to retrieve an original image, and this retrieval and recovering of original image is being done from the degraded or distorted image. And here the objective is to obtain an image which is as close as to the original one. Even you are saying that you have to recover the original image, but you must be knowing that its quality, means the level, the image quality will be closer to the image available, but you cannot say that it's exactly the same image. And it is only possible by removing or minimizing the degradation. Sometimes it is not possible to eliminate each and every kind of degradation. So what would be our like role? We will try to minimize the errors, degradation as much as possible, so that whatever the information we wanted to extract from the image or whatever the image analysis we would like to do, that can be done suitably. Moving ahead, now let us discuss the types of image degradation. So degradations are actually of three types: noise, blur and artifacts. So first let us discuss the noise. As I have told you, noise is what? Noise is a disturbance, and noise always creates a disturbance in the fluctuations in the pixel value, because image consists of thousands of pixels, and pixel value shows random variation, and this kind of variation cannot be avoided. So that degrade the image quality. And for such type of cases, suitable strategies should be designed to model and manage noise. Second type of degradation is blur. What do you mean by blur? Blur is a degradation that makes an image less clear. You always use this particular term. Image is blur means image is not that much clear. Third is the artifacts. What is artifacts? Artifacts, this is also known as the distortion, and this term is mostly used in the medical imaging. As I have told you, noise, it is a disturbance that causes fluctuations in pixel values. Therefore, pixel value shows random variation. Blur, it makes an image less clear, so makes the process of image analysis difficult. Obviously, when the image quality is not good, when image is like very less clear, then how can you do the image analysis? And some of the common blurs are Gaussian blur and motion blur. You must have heard both of these terms, Gaussian blur and motion blur. And motion blur is very common. So a motion blur occurs because of the movement of the object or camera during the image acquisition process. You must have observed, if you are clicking a photograph, if the object or the camera position is like being changed, means it will degrade the image quality. That is the blur. Artifacts, this is also known as the distortion, and it is commonly used term in the medical imaging, and these are the extreme intensities or color fluctuations which makes an image meaningful. So distortion involve actually geometrical distortions like translation, rotation or change in the scale. And in case of medical imaging, artifacts is a like random noise. You can see it is a spurious error or some systematic error which may be present in the image, like because of the faulty image capturing process. So like because of the artifacts, what can be done? Artifacts can be mistaken for real organs, which may mislead doctors. So this kind of degradation is actually very harmful. This is very dangerous. And the mishandling of X-ray films, movement of patient during the scanning, or improper following of radiological procedures, or if dust is available in the imaging system, these all can result in systematic errors in the image, which is known as artifacts. So these are the three important kinds of degradation which you must remember. Topic for the next class is image degradation restoration model. Thank you so much for watching this video.